Become a god of destruction, but destroy your home planet first. Will you press the button? You will unlock Gohan's beast form, but never see your family again. Predict the future like Whis, but you don't have angel powers. Become a Saiyan but lose all or past memories. Have Goku's power but Vegeta constantly hunts you. Become God of Universe 7, but you can never form any friendships. Will you press the button if you get Broly's raw power, but you can't control your rage? Have Jiren's strength, but you also go through his sufferings. Have Gogeta's fusion power, but it cuts your lifespan in half. Master Ultra Instinct instantly, but you must defeat Goku first with your current skills. Will you press the button if you gain God Kai instantly, but you're forbidden from ever using Super Saiyan again? Become a god of destruction, but you must erase your best friend first. Will you press the button? Get trained by Whis, but Beerus doesn't like you. Train with Beerus, but never leave his planet. Fuse with Goku, but only for 5 minutes. Will you press the button? Strongest fighter in Universe 7, but never be remembered. Control Great Ape form at will, but never become Super Saiyan. Be able to use instant transmission, but never be able to choose where you land. Have a Potara earring, but never find a fusion partner. Become a Namekian, but never be able to grow stronger. Become a Saiyan, but never be able to transform. Have unlimited fusion time, but only fuse with Mr. Satan. Be as strong as Broly, but never be able to control your rage. Have Majin Buu's candy ability, but can't eat the candy. Have Cell's regeneration, but a day to heal a scratch.